Hey there, it's Brittany, and it is my favorite day of the month. It is our Bargain Bead Box subscription unboxing. So it's super early again. I'm loving this schedule. It is March 5th, and I've already gotten my box. I thought it was a mistake when they emailed me to tell me it shipped. So let's see what we have. Celtic inspirations. That's interesting. Ooh, rich greens and sparkling teal combined with silver findings in this Celtic collection. Highlights include green aventurine teardrops and carved leaves, a pair of half matte agate focal beads, and an array of high quality silver tone findings. Celtic motifs include the, I don't know that word, Triquetra? Nope, I tried to make it Spanish. Triquetra, often representing spirituality, unity, and eternity, and the Dara knot, typically used to represent strength, like roots of an oak tree. We hope you enjoy designing with these timeless symbols. So if you're not already signed up for the Bargain Bead Box, I have a link below. Also, you can use code Turquoise to get $2 off your first box. Super exciting. They were sold out for March, so hopefully they have opened up sales for the next month. If not, get on their waiting list and remember to use that coupon. Also, being part of this monthly subscription, you get a 30% off coupon every month to use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, which I haven't posted it yet, but I have a new video for that. So let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a bigger box this month, and it's in a green organza bag. Oh, I'm seeing some Celtic knocks. So let me get these organized and we'll get started. Okay, so number one is a two-piece set of approximately 18 by 13 millimeter green aventurine teardrop pendants. I'm really starting to grow to like aventurine. Before, for years I didn't really like it because it just seemed boring to me, but I'm liking it more and more now. And I think these are really cute drops. You can do a lot with those just by themselves or by adding charms or beads. And I think those are really cute. Good earring beads. Number two, we have a 20-piece, 7.5 millimeter, 3-petal bead cap, lead and cadmium free. Very cute. Oh, yeah, that's cute. I can see it. Looks Irish. Shamrocky, sorry. There we go. Those are cute. I definitely know I don't have anything that looks like that. Number three, we have a 4-piece set of 18 by 15 millimeter Celtic knot flat round charms. Those are cute. I don't really get a lot of this because I'm not Irish. I did have a grandmother who had bright red hair, but I'm not Irish. I'm half Norwegian and Scottish, but not Irish. So then we have number four, 2-piece set of 17 by 24 millimeter knotwork charms, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are nice too. These are cute. I'm definitely seeing some really cute earrings with these, and you could just use them just like that because they're really pretty, or you can try and wire work some crystals into there. That's kind of cool. Let's see, number five, 14-inch strand, 6 millimeter green agate round beads. I'm thinking that means it says DH, so dyed and heat treated. Very nice. Oh, this one even looks kind of like malachite a little bit. Yeah, these are really nice. Good, that's a good green too. Number 10. Number 6. We skipped a whole bunch of numbers. 10-piece strand, that's where the 10 came from. 13.5 millimeter crystal disco faceted round beads, blue-green. Hello. These are really nice. Yeah, these make me happy. These make my eyes go crazy. My eyes are so wide right now trying to take in all the colors. These are beautiful. So far, my absolute favorite thing in this box, but it's not March themed, not St. Patty's Day inspired. Oh well. Number 7, 1 meter textured steel jewelry chain, lead and nickel free. Very nice, perfect for stretching your beads. That's what I always say, like, use your nice beads, use them, unless you're a hoarder, like me, but, you know, stretch them out. Make as many projects as you can by incorporating in chain and other less expensive beads. 8, we have 50 piece 5.5 millimeter swirled rope spacer beads. Very nice. Add a little texture to your project. Number 9, I think I have something that looks quite like this, but maybe not exactly the same. 2-piece 31 by 27 millimeter Celtic knot donut with loop. Oh, so you can put a little drop there too. Very nice. Very cute. You can use it as a pendant or an earring. Very cool. That was number 9. Number 10 is a 16-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter Rondelle Beads teal green champagne. It's a lot of colors in one bead, but these are gorgeous. Again, one of my favorite colors. So beautiful, and it's got a really nice luster on it. Oh, those are so shiny. They're so shiny. I'm feeling like we need to make some stretch bracelets because we haven't made stretch bracelets in a long time on this channel. And what is that? What even is that? Number 11 is a 5-piece strand of approximately 12 millimeter hand-carved green aventurine leaf beads. Well, we know I love leaves, so those are really cool. These could be nice on a chandelier earring. Number 12. 8-piece 18 and a half by 15 and a half millimeter Dara knot drop links, lead and nickel cadmium free. Oh, those are cute. Those are super cute. I really like those. Those are really nice. And then number 13, some more aventurine, I think. 9-piece strand, 10 millimeter green aventurine round beads. Very nice. The cool thing is, guys, you know this already probably from watching my channel. If you haven't been watching my channel, this is new information for you, but I don't tend to use the stuff from these boxes altogether because I don't make jewelry to sell. If I want a piece of jewelry, it's either going to one of my friends or it's staying with me. So I don't just make jewelry just to make jewelry. I make it because I want it. And this is cool because I have so much aventurine that I'll definitely use this with, it'll complement the stuff I already have. So that's why I like this box. It's got nice gemstones in it. Number 14, I know I have these. 4 sets of 16 by 21 millimeter ornate toggle clasps, lead and nickel and cadmium free. I know for sure I have at least one of these. I think I have it in several colors actually. Very nice. I love toggles. We all know this. My favorite type of clasp. Well, for bracelets anyway. Number 15. It's a 30 by 20 millimeter green aventurine teardrop focal. Very nice. Very nice. That's beautiful. You can wire wrap that. You can glue a charm to the front of it. Very pretty. Number 16. 7-inch strand, 8 millimeter faceted English cut candy jade beads dyed. Okay, so I thought these were going to be more aventurine, but they made jade beads and they used jade as in parentheses. So some kind of stone. I don't know if it's actually jade or what, but they made it look like aventurine, and it's gorgeous because I don't have any star cut or English cut, whatever you want to call it, beads like this in this color. So those are really cool. These and the crystals so far have been my favorite thing. Really like those. Next we have a 2-piece, approximately 24 to 27 millimeter half matte green agate coin beads, dyed and heat treated. Whoa! Now that is cool. I don't have anything like that. I mean, these look like they're table cut, but they're not because it's just 2 different finishes. But those are neat. Those are really cool. I can't believe how much I like those. Well, those are going in the hoard. Not going to be able to use those for a while. Number 18, 7-inch strand, 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, metallic iris green. These are really pretty. I was going to say I probably have these, but these actually look slightly different than any other crystals that I have. I mean, I know I have this color, but these look like they have a really good luster on them. So sparkly. So sparkly. Those are really pretty. And then last but certainly not least, we have a 2-piece 29.5 millimeter. Oh gosh, I can't say this word. Triquetra Pendants. Sorry, I will put. I really don't know how to say that word. Lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are gorgeous. Those are so pretty. Now I don't wear earrings, but you can absolutely use these as earrings. I'll probably try to work it into a necklace someday. Someday down the line, there will be the perfect necklace with this. Might be next week, might be 10 years from now, but it's really pretty. So anyway, I enjoyed the box. It's not my favorite box I've ever had from them because I don't know, it lacked a little bit of the wow factor for me, but I really liked everything individually. So my favorite items were these star cut or English cut beads. Absolutely these two, what were they called? Half matte agate coins. Those are so awesome. And then I really loved these crystals. And I really loved these crystals. I don't know how these match, but I'm so happy they sent them. They're gorgeous. Yeah, those are my favorite items. Let me know what was your favorite item. I really like this box. Like I said, it's just not my favorite from the year. You know, like so far we've had a pretty good year with this box. I do appreciate that they tried to make it around like a more adult version of St. Patrick's Day. It's not cartoony. I like that. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're interested. Check out the link below. It'll take you to sign up for their box and you can get $2 off of your first subscription box by using the code Turquoise. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned. Goldie's coming up. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Hi. How you doing? Have you put on a couple ounces? You're looking a little chunky. You're not amused, huh? Hi, cutie.